We are going to unbox all the kits. I'm gonna show you the contents of the core, the speed, the ultimate, and the pro gel kit. All right, the core kit. We have equipped the kit with 2 6-ounce nail liquids. The nail liquids can be used with the core powders. Now in the kit, you're going to get a core natural, a core pink, a core XXX white, a core white, and a core clear. The kit is also equipped with swipe. This is your nail prep. This is what you're going to use to clean the natural nail of oils and contaminants before you use Protein Bond. Protein Bond is the non-acid bonder. You're gonna use 2 coats in order to get incredible adhesion. Now we've equipped the kit with rose oil to condition the nails after you file. We've given you a 5-pack of files, which is gonna give you a really good taste of all the grits so that you're gonna be able to file your nails into absolute perfection. Now, when it comes to building the nail, you have the option of using forms for sculpting or the tips. We've given you clear as well as natural, and to adhere the tips, you have the amazing brush-on glue. Now to make your nails absolutely shiny, we've included a bottle of finished gel. This is the no-tack sealer that you're going to be able to apply over the surface of your enhancements to make it absolutely super shiny. Now, as you can see, we have an eyedropper and a glass dish. That way you're going to be able to dispense your liquid into your dish. That way, when you're submersing your brush into the liquid, it's going to be clean. You don't have to worry about spilling it all over the place. You're going to be able to get it inside the dish and work with a clean environment, all right? All of this is enough to do a minimum of 40 sets of nails. This kit is gonna give you guys a really good taste so that if you're trying to decide what color to work with, you have a lot of options. I recommend this kit for somebody who's just starting, who needs a little bit extra time, because with the core powders, you have a lot more workability. This is gonna give you guys a little bit more time to play with the product. That way it doesn't dry on you too fast. You're gonna be able to refer to all my videos. I'm gonna be able to show you how to work with the product extremely well so that you have total success, whether you're in school or in the salon. Now, for those of you guys a little bit more advanced or want a faster setting product, the Speed Kit is the way to go. All right, so all the components in the Speed Kit are going to be the same as the core. The only difference is the 5 powders that we include inside the kit. All right, so you get Speed Clear, Speed Frosted Pink, Speed White, Speed Pink, and last but not least, you get Cover Blush. So again, all the components inside this kit are identical. The only thing that separates it is the speed powders. You're going to get a faster workability, and you're going to get an absolutely beautiful look. All right, so for those of you who are wondering what's in the Ultimate Kit, the Ultimate Kit is a combination of speed with Cover Pink powder. Let me explain to you the difference. All right, so again, the kit is primarily the same. The only difference that we've done with the Ultimate Kit is we've given you 2 slick pour powders, Flash and Burn, which is this beautiful, subtle, like iridescent white, and then we've given you Kitty Blitz, which is this beautiful kind of red glitter mix. Absolutely amazing. They could be used on their own, or they could be mixed into the powder as well. We give you that option so that if you're doing design work, you're gonna get a taste of it. It's unbelievable. All right, so you get Speed White, Speed Clear, Cover Blush, And my favorite, the one that I'm always teaching with, is Cover Pink. This is the ultimate of all the kits. It's gonna give you the ability, right, to achieve those nail design dreams. Now, for those of you out there that want to learn hard gel, we have a beautiful kit that is equipped with everything you need to get started. Let's break this down. You have 6 gels. You have your base gel, which is going to be for your foundation layer. When you're building gel, you need to apply a thin layer of base so that you could structure your builder gels on top. We have Concealer Pink, which is a nude builder gel. We have Flex Gel, which is a thin, fast-moving viscosity. Great for mixing glitters, great for doing fills, great for doing overlays. Clear Sculptor is absolutely perfect for sculpting. And as you can see, we've equipped the kit with sculpting forms so that if you want to build a free edge out, Clear Sculptor is the gel to use. Some of you guys might not like working with super thin consistency. That's why we've equipped the kit with Build. Last but not least, you have White Sculpture Gel. For those of you that are learning how to do pink and white nails, you need something that is intense white. White Sculpture is the gel to work with. Now, with all these gels that you're going to be working with, we've equipped the kit with a cleanser. Now, Swipe is used to clean the natural nail when you're prepping. You also have to remember when you're done curing hard gels, they have a tacky layer. So after you're done building out your nails, that dispersion layer, you need to wipe it off. You're going to be using Swipe to do that. All right, so an overview of the kit. You have 6 gels. You have the Ultimate Finish Gel. You have Protein Bond, Brush On Glue, 2 packs of tips, sculpting forms, assorted files, Swipe, manicure brush. You have the Ultimate Pro Gel Sculptor and some wipes to clean your nails after prep as well as after you're done finishing. You're going to be able to do some amazing sets with this. Is going to give you a beautiful taste of what hard gel sculpting and tipping is about.